Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to create a vertical timeline on your website using the htmega plugin. A vertical timeline is one of the best ways to represent history in a creative way. It allows you to showcase different types of stories or events in a chronological order based on the year and date. Let me show you how you can create a vertical timeline. First of all, create a section. Now search for the vertical timeline widget. Drag the widget to the section. Here you can select a layout for the timeline. In the content panel, you can add events for your timeline. In order to add an event, insert a date, title, and content. Click on the Add Item button if you want to add more events. From the style settings, you can manage all the necessary styles for the title, content, and date. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions regarding this widget, please leave us a comment below. Thank you very much for watching this video.